Good day. My name is Badamose Abiodun Emmanuel. I'm a website designer. I'm a SEO consultant. For the past 7 years, I've been a web designer. I do a lot of things on the internet, but the idea of creating something special came to me in 2014 when I was discussing with a fellow programmer. We were discussing, so I just got the idea, but then I did not do anything on it then because I don't have the resources. But fast forward to 2016, I started working on the project on creating something that have never been done before in the aspect of electronic commerce. So I try to build a kind of website that will solve all e-commerce problem in the world, not just an ordinary e-commerce platform, but a, a platform that solves every problem. Now let's take for example, we have a lot of e-commerce websites in the world, it's Alibaba, Jumia, Konga, and so on and so forth. Most of these uh, e-commerce websites, they are almost the same thing. There's only a few difference there, but with the kind of e-commerce websites that I have in mind in creating, in fact I've started working on it, is going to be very exceptional. Now let me list some of the features that are intended to be on this e-commerce website. One, is to have the fastest delivery in the world. As if to say, within 1 to 24 hours, no matter how where you are in the country, nationwide delivery, no matter where you are in the country, nationwide delivery, you're going to get your order between 1 to 24 hours. How are we going to make this possible? Well, we'll be invest in using what we call geolocation. This e-commerce website is going to localize its works in the sense that we are going to set up offices in every local government. Why do you have to do this? Because if somebody order, let's say you are in Kaduna now and you wanted to buy something, when you search for the product you want to buy, it will bring up products that are in Kaduna first. You understand? It will bring products that are in Kaduna first before bringing other products, and all of the products are going to be in high quality. So you will be able to choose products that are very nearer to you through the power of geolocation. So doing that, it will make people to get quick delivery of their products. And even if your product is not in Kaduna and you're in Kaduna and you want to get it within 1 to 24 hours, we use the power of drone. So drone will help you to carry your product fast as possible and get it delivered between 1 to 24 hours, no matter where you are in the country. Secondly, why Traderly, as is the name of the e-commerce website, why it is different from other ones is that as an e-commerce website, e-commerce business, it is not just a normal e-commerce website. We are going to use freelancing features on the website. As you say, if you are a buyer, you are a seller of soft works. If you are a website designer, you are a programmer, just any soft work, even if you want to sell your ebooks, you can sell it there. Soft work that can make people can sell. So, as a digital marketer, I have been involved in so many transaction online, but I see people complaining about being scammed. You know, they don't want to trust you with their money online. Maybe on Facebook advertising an offer, they will tell you, "Oh, we don't trust you, we don't know you." But with this platform, it will solve that problem. People will not be afraid of buying products from you, even if they don't know you, because this platform will collect the money, it will serve as escrow, then pay the person involved on after the product. I mean, after the service is delivered. So this is going to be a great solution for Nigeria internet marketers who are, you know, uh, afraid of spending their money on the internet. And this is also going to come. This website is going to come with what we call social network. So it's very easy for you to interact with sellers. You update status, so it's going to be fully packed. Another exciting feature about Traderly is that it will allow artisans, local farmers, and several other people to export their products to the international market. Not only that, people who sell products that are not made in Nigeria and they want to get it at cheaper price, or maybe China, Korea, and several other places that they need their product. Traderly will work as a two-way traffic for this purpose. That is to say, importing and exporting of products, of cheaper products into the country and outside of the country. That is, if you have some craft you want to sell outside of the country, it will be easy for you to sell it through this the use of this platform. So Traderly as a as an e-commerce website, it's not just an e-commerce. That's why I don't just call it e-commerce, I call it i-commerce. That is to say, it's interactive. It's something you can talk to. You understand? So this website we are talking about is something that have never been done before. Nobody has thought of creating something that is having several features to change the world of internet marketing. Because the internet marketing, the e-commerce world has really changed, and we need to follow trends. We need to do what is right at the right time, because internet is going to help us to achieve a lot of things. So I hope with these little things I'll be able to say, I hope my application will be considered and I'll be able to achieve this dream of mine. So thank you. God bless you.